Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And in today's vlog, we're going to do tech. In fact, we're going to do a heads-up comparison between the Samsung Buds Live and the Apple Airpods Pro. So if you're curious to find out which one is better, well, at least in my opinion, you're interested to find out what I think, keep on watching. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we have 3 ongoing giveaways. We're giving away a Realme 7 Pro, we're giving away off-white face masks, and we're giving away Astro World Travis Scott towel from Cup Garden. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. So how we'll do this is we'll divide it into 5 categories, and then I'll share which I think is the winner and share my experience per category. So those 5 categories are sound quality, noise isolation / cancellation, connectivity, calls and microphone, and then overall fit and versatility. So first up, let's do sound quality. When it comes to the sound quality, again, this is just my opinion, okay? I personally prefer the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and that has a lot to do with the music that I prefer listening to. I love the fact that it is more open and it has better soundstage, and since I love listening to live performances, be it concert performances or orchestra performances, basta live on YouTube or on YouTube Music or Spotify, I just feel that the overall sound signature that I get from the Buds Live suits my taste versus the Apple Airpods Pro. Also like the fact that you can customize it with the bass and stuff like that via the Samsung Wearables app. So when it comes to sound quality, again, in my opinion, for my taste, I prefer the Buds Live from Samsung. The second is all about noise cancellation and isolation. And when it comes to that, easily the winner is the Apple AirPods Pro. This one really feels like you are being shut off from the rest of the world. As opposed to this one, you can actually still hear some ambient sound, and there is a tendency for the noise to leak out a bit. So if you are listening on full blast volume and you are beside somebody, there is a chance that they might hear what you are listening to. So that might be an issue for some people. So if your primary focus is noise cancellation, if that's what you're really looking for in your wireless earphones, the Apple AirPods Pro wins in that particular category. The third category is all about connectivity, seamless connectivity. In Tagalog, ito yung every time mo gamitin, hindi siya nagda-drop, hindi siya nawawala. It is always connected to your phone. And when it comes to that category, I feel that the Apple AirPods Pro wins again. The moment you pair this, it always works. I mean, it rarely fails. And that's the beautiful thing about Apple. They've really focused on the overall user experience, and it's just, you know, a delight to use. As opposed to Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, I hope I'm not I'm the only guy who encountered this, but there were several instances where in the left earbud or the left bean would disconnect, and then I would have to remove it, put it on, remove it, put it on, and I've tried several things from resetting it to reading all the different guides to resetting it again via the app, and it looks like the problem still persists. So there are situations wherein the connection just drops and I have to remove it, put it back in, and it's just really frustrating and annoying. And I hope that, again, I'm the only one who experiences that, and if that's the case, if you guys have experienced it and you solved it, please do let me know how to fix it in the comment section. Pero sobrang hassle niya pagdating doon. Before we move on to the next category, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. To those who don't know, Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. My favorite product from their selection, from their accessories, has always been their beaded bracelets. Wear them all the time. I match them with the color of the straps of my bracelet or my shoes, just my thing. And I feel that it really does elevate your style and make it pop a little bit more. Apart from their beaded bracelets, you might want to check out their necklaces. One of my favorite one is their minimalist bar necklace, which is currently one of their best sellers. Now, the good news is you guys can actually get a 20% discount because it is their October sale. In fact, if you use the code Carlo on checkout, you get an additional 10% off your order. So make sure you guys check out Rose Gold and Black. The link can be found down below. When it comes to the calls and microphone, I would give the edge again to the Apple Airpods Pro, specifically for the mic. I feel that the stem like build of this one, there's that white thing jutting out of your ear, just allows for better call reception. Now that doesn't mean that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is bad. It's just that this is better. So just take that into account if that is like your main thing that you're looking for. This one edges this out, but that doesn't necessarily mean that this is bad. And lastly, we go to fit and versatility, and this is where the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live wins again for me. I just love how it is locked into place into my ear. So when I'm working out in the home gym, this one really falls off quickly. I'm not sure if I have big ears, but sobrang hassle because every time I would, I don't know, lean down to do like a dumbbell press or row, one arm row there, and I would set the dumbbell down. This usually almost always falls off my ear. So I just don't like the lock. I don't like the fit, and I don't like the white thing, you know, peeping downwards from my ear. So that's a con for this, as opposed to the Galaxy Buds Live. When they're in, and they're not as uncomfortable as other sports wireless earphones, wherein it really locks and there is that pressure on your ears, which increases the overall fatigue. So this is like the perfect form factor in my opinion. So if you take a look into all 5 categories, Apple actually won 3: noise cancellation, connectivity, calls, and microphone. And the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live won sound quality and fit and versatility. To be honest, if I were to pick just one, I really want to go with the Samsung Buds Live because, again, like what I mentioned earlier, the sound signature is perfect for my taste. It really is built for, you know, listening to YouTube concerts, performances, which is the thing that I love listening to, as well as podcasts and stuff like that. So super perfect for my taste. I also love the fact that it is so versatile. If I wear it working out, if I wear it any situation, it is super comfortable. There's no ear fatigue. It's not as bad as those buds that really lock in and puts pressure on your eardrums. So comfort, sound quality, sobrang panalo. And even when you talk about value and price, you can actually get this for free if you buy like the latest Samsung flagships, or you can get it at a discount via Lazada. I'll link it down below. As opposed to the AirPods Pro, where you have to shell out a premium. You're shelling out what, like 13,000-14,000. This one you can get it for less than 9,000, and if it's discounted, you can even get it for like 8,000. And if you get it as a freebie, then it's 100% free. So value-wise lamang talaga si Buds Live. However, the thing holding me back from declaring it like a 100% undisputed winner is the connectivity issue. And again, I hope that I'm the only one dealing with that problem. I'm not sure if this is a factory, how do you say this, damage unit, or if it is a common problem that a lot of people have with the buds, but that is my experience and I want to keep it honest with you guys. So if it didn't have that connectivity issue, easily 1000%, I would say go get this. This is awesome. This is just perfect. But unfortunately, with that connectivity thing, it kinda is jarring to be able to tune tone, lalo na if you're so into it and you're enjoying the music and you have to take out the buds, put it back in, sobrang hassle. So just because of that, I think that the AirPods Pro kinda edges it out a bit on that one. But again, if it weren't for that issue, which I hope I'm the only one experiencing, this would be the clear winner. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something from my comparison of the Buds Live and the AirPods Pro. This is Carlo signing out as usual. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.